Okay, well, the fundamental triangle for these 2 points could be drawn up here or down here. I'll draw it down here so I can label it above the hypotenuse. And I'm going to pick my direction, and you all did pretty well. Not everybody indicated their direction, but just one arrow is really sufficient to indicate your direction, as long as you always then go from the point to the point that follows the arrow. Anyhow, yeah. As long as you end up at the point that follows the arrow, that means you start at the other point. Okay, so rise is negative 110. What's that mean? Of course, this means feet in square feet, right? So it'd be negative 110 feet, and you might want to put units on it, okay? So I'm going to do that, and run is 1100, and the rise is negative 110 square feet, and the run is negative 10 feet. Okay, don't make that mistake again. Okay? So, I started to calculate rise over run. It was not going to work. Okay? And why is the rise in square feet? It's because the vertical coordinate is your area. It's in square feet, right? And why is the run in feet? Because the run is length in feet. And the run goes in the direction of the horizontal axis. The rise goes in the direction of the vertical axis. So we have slope I'll write it as feet squared per foot because that's what it means. Okay? Officially, that unit is feet, but it represents how many square feet you gain or lose per foot on the average, per foot of length on the average. Okay? Now that's just the average slope. If I did an average slope between a length of 150 feet and 152 feet, I'd have a somewhat different result. It wouldn't be drastically different, but it would be different. Because, well, I might not know that right away, but okay, let's do the same thing that I've just done here in calculating the average rate of change and then sketching a fundamental triangle. Let's do it for the second question. What happens when the length is decreased by 10 feet? So that's where the length goes from 150 feet down to 140. And the width has to compensate by going up from 50 to 60.